Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word enhance. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. She used special filters to enhance the colors in her photographs. Enhance means to improve, increase, or intensify the quality, value, or effectiveness of something, typically by adding to or intensifying it. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.